Hello guys, I'm Kentaya from GlamwithT&K. Thank you guys for clicking on our video and deciding to watch today. So today I'm doing an Ipsy review, also a little makeup along with it where I'll be using some of the products, so you'll see how I got this look. It's, you know, simple, nothing too extra. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click the bell so you can get a notification from us every time we post. And don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video, which I hope you do. And let's get right into it. Bye! This is my September box. It is the month of September currently. Trying to open it. So this is how it looks when you open, and it's got this little red package in it. So I got this. Okay, here's the first thing. It's Fancy Face Nourishing Oil. I don't know if you can see that, but let's open it. See what it looks like. Okay, nice packaging. Fancy Face Nourishing Oil Cleanser. Oh, okay, so it's like you cleanse your face with it. A luxurious and practical cleansing oil delivering the nourished, soft, clean skin we all know you deserve. Period. Okay. That's something I will be using most definitely because I love skincare. Ofra Lip Gloss. Natural. It's like a little pinkish shade. Glittery kind of. Let me see. Seems okay. I like lip gloss, so it'll do. Let's see. Touch Flesh Highlighting Balm. Okay. This is the packaging for that. Oh. Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm going to. Oh, it's like a bronzy color. Like, you can't see it on camera, but it's dark. Like, I don't know if that's a highlighter for me. I'd probably be able to use this as a bronzer, I'm not gonna lie. But then I'm dark, so I don't know. Okay. So, lastly, an eyeshadow. So, let's... Sakura plus Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. Oh, okay, so... How am I gonna get this open? Excuse me, guys. Okay. It's pretty nice. But it's really hard to open. Like, why? Like, it shouldn't be this difficult. Oh, I think I broke the box. I broke the box. Okay. And it's still not coming out. Like, what is this? We're gonna have to say goodbye to this box. That was the first and last time you're gonna see it. Like, it's okay. The packaging still looks the same. So that box just isn't on. Alright. This is pretty. I like it. The shimmer shades are it. And I like my shimmers. I'll most definitely be working with those. Oh! There's something else in here. Okay. There's also some masks. Oh, I can get them out of here. Okay. Oh, it was upside down. But it's the first one, this pink one right here. It's the Star Skin Close Up Firming Biocellulose Face Mask. Alright, and the second one, which is this one, it's the Star Skin Foam Peeling Puff E-Punch Peeling. I don't know what that means, but yeah, that's in there. Alright, so I got the big package, so I got 2 packages in the mail. This says good vibes, you see that? And it's a little list of all the products. So this product right here, the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrate Primer. Professional. I already put on my primer. I should have used it. Next time, next video. Oh, I'm putting this away like I was done reading the products. Okay, so the next product is the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara in black. Right here. So let me, ooh. See that this is what it looks like. Doom doom. It's little, so it's just a little sample size. Next product is the Pixi by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen in Black Caviar. So this is it. You wouldn't think it's black with that ending. Let me see. I'll open it later. Clumsy me, clumsy me. Now we have the Verifi Skincare 2020 Phyto. I don't know how to say that shit. I'm sorry. Sorry. This is what it is. You know, this is it. And I don't know if y'all can read that, but shoot your shot. Alright. And the last one is the Male Beauty Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Nude. Alright. Here goes that. Male Beauty. I say this now, it is not sponsored. This is not sponsored. I'm just, you know, reviewing my Ipsy box. Who wouldn't want to? Right. Now I have all this makeup behind me. Alright. Now it's time to finish your hair makeup. So the rest of this is going to be a voiceover because it's hot. And I will be trying to use this, use a couple of these products that I just unboxed from my Ipsy. So we'll see how they work. Alright, but like I said, it's hot, so I gotta turn on my air. The rest is voiceover. So, bye! Is it me or does it have like a little shimmer to it? I feel like it does. But then again, it could just be me. I don't know how I feel about this blush. This is like a bronzer for me. those were just there because I was trying to be funny. Anyway, all right. So now we have the finished look. Isn't she cute? All right, guys. So I just finished, you know, with my makeup and everything. Now this is basically where I truly review these products. Okay, so the Sakura plus Sage palette right here, it was good, you know. I like the shimmer shades. As you can see, I swatched them. You'll see in the video. The blushes, I don't know too much about. I don't have an inch of highlighter on, but I bet you it looks like I do, huh? That's the blush. Yeah. I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all. Let's see what else. This lip gloss, the Ofra lip gloss, so you can see, in the shade Natural. Don't like it. I have another pink lip gloss, the Fenty, and it looks good, but this, I didn't like the way it looked. Like, it's too oily also. Like, I don't know. Yeah, it's just not for me, is what I'm saying. See, I did not use this mascara, but it's Tarte. I like Tarte. I might like it later. You'll get a true review on that later. Anything else that I have to object from them? Possibly. Oh, this is a big no. The male tinted lips. I mean, I already figured it wouldn't work. My lips are dark and pink lipstick doesn't really go well with me, and then it's tinted also. I don't know what I expected, but it's a no. It's a no-go. But yeah, that was basically my look. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys come back to watch. Thanks for watching. Bye.